This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Taillight bulbs replacement, Ford Ranger. Open the tailgate. Remove the tailgate housing screws at each side of the housing. Pull the housing away from the vehicle body. Twist the bulb holder counterclockwise, then pull it out of the housing. Pull the bulb straight out of the bulb holder. Install the new bulb into the bulb holder, pushing it firmly into place. Insert the bulb holder into the housing and twist it clockwise to secure it. Install the housing onto the vehicle body. Insert the screws and tighten them securely, but avoid over-tightening them, which may crack the housing plastic.